Put your hands out to the side. Hands out to the side now. Roll to your stomach now. Yeah. Hey, don't get close. I can't see his hand. Get your hand up from underneath you now. You've got a medic coming.
Let's cuff him up.
Copy.
There we go. Everybody turn your cameras on.
Cameras on. Is everything else searched around here?
No. Cleared the house or anything? I have no idea.
Yep, let's...
Anybody doing anything for him?
Negative, sir. We contacted medics.
I copy.
Get some gloves. You got gloves on?
Yes, sir.
Start pumping his chest.
He was bringing me Christmas money. He didn't do anything.
Stay inside.